Guarding against the fraud by purported powers of attorney, the Deeds Registry Amendment Bill of 2021 was passed in the National Assembly on Monday evening. This bill's passage is consequential to the Powers of Attorney Bill, which was passed earlier in the House. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Mohabir Anil Nandlal, Senior Counsel, noted that the bill will make it difficult for persons who are bent on committing fraud.
A person who registers, files or records a document purporting to be a power of attorney in contravention of Section 1 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a fine of $5 million and to imprisonment for 5 years.
The Act makes it an offense for a person to register, file or record a power of attorney without the attached copies of the photographed identification document and a witness statement in the case of a power of attorney executed outside of Guyana. Government Member of Parliament Sanjeev Dattadin, in support of the amendment, explained that the updated documents to legally obtain a power of attorney are what is required to be filed at the Deeds Registry as records. Documents that must be presented to the Deeds Registry are photographs of the donor of the power and the recipient, statements of the witnesses, and the seal of the notary public or magistrate.
It would be useless. It would be downright foolish, if I say so, Mr. Speaker, that you would go to all that trouble that the donor of the power has to identify himself, the donee, the recipient of the power, has to provide identification, the notary is obliged to examine it, the witnesses are required to give statements, but you don't take all of that information and file it in the Deeds Registry so there is a permanent record.